What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can probably see by the title already, we're going to be test driving my friend Chris's dad's R35 GTR, which happens to be a dream car of mine. It all started with the R34, of course, with everybody's favorite Paul Walker, RIP to the GOAT. He got most of us into cars along with the Fast and Furious series, but you know, I've always been a fan of Skylines, whether it be in video games or in the movies. And then when the R35 came out when I was in high school, I remember seeing one for the first time and I was like, damn, that would be badass to own one day, let alone drive one and sit in one. Fast forward to today's video, my boy Chris Marina, make sure you guys follow him. I'll put his Instagram down below as well as in the description. He let me actually ride along in his dad's 2020 R35 GTR, and then you guys will also see that he also let me test drive it as well. So two birds with one stone in one day. I was able to ride in one of my dream cars from when I was young, and then I was also able to drive it as well. So huge shout out to Chris. Another reason why I love these cars so much is, besides Paul Walker of course, I've heard them with like a straight pipe exhaust or like a really nice aftermarket exhaust, and they sound insane. I've also seen one spit like 4-foot flames on the highway, and it was the craziest thing that I've ever seen. And of course all the YouTube videos that I've seen, I mean, I think they look good, they sound good, but they do come at a hefty price. The mods for BMWs are pricey, but when you get into the GTR range, simple things like maintenance cost even more. And then when you want to get into the actual mods like exhaust and tune, I mean, it's way more expensive, so I can't justify that right now. But again, maybe in a few years or so, we'll see. They're also known for transmission issues, so you know, similar to the crank hub, that's always going to be in the back of your minds. But they obviously updated a couple things in the newer models, so you have to worry about that less, but it's still something in the back of your mind if you upgrade to a car of that price point, which most of these 2017s are over 100K easily. Maybe in a few years we can justify it, but with the current market right now, nah. Sorry about the quality. It was nighttime. We just got done at the supercar meet at the Porsche dealership, so this is a continuation of that video. It was nighttime and it was raining, so we were pretty limited on what we could do. But just so you guys know, we are definitely gonna go back and hang out with Chris, and we're gonna do a full feature film on this car in the daylight, so you guys will be able to see it and hear it better, and then we'll also get some more POVs for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it. Yee! About to go for a cruise in Chris's dad's R35 GTR, my dream car. Let's go. Oh yeah,
that dumbass off limit.
Yeah. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me and see me. It's my first cruise with Chris and my dream car R35. Let's go.
I still haven't tried launch before. I don't know how to do it in this car yet.
Yeah, no, you're good. Damn.
Like it?
I love it, bro. That shit's like, that's pretty smooth though.
Yeah, for stock, it sounds pretty good too.
It's like all-wheel drive is super smooth. Holy shit. Yeah. Damn. Oh yeah, that shit gets up. Holy shit, it gets up.
Yeah, so if you hide the windows, you can hear like the transmission.
Yeah. That's the clunkiness?
Yeah.
When you're slowing down?
Yeah. And it has like little burbles too.
Yeah. Damn. I don't care about fucking no clunky noises. This shit's crazy. What do you think, bro? What do you think about the car? So it's got it. Shit's a beast,
I love it.
Shit's a beast.
Compared to the Ham?
Yeah, compared to the Ham.
I don't know. You know, it's like subjective.
Yeah.
The M for us is more fun because rear-wheel drive and like, you know, it's cheaper to mod it.
Yeah.
But
cause like, so Finding Nick, we both watched Finding Nick, and he says like, you know, going fast in a straight line is fun sometimes, but sometimes rear-wheel drive is what it's all about. Here we go.
I can't catch traction.
Yeah. It's wet outside. Damn, bro. Oh yeah. That's fire.
Yeah, I love it, bro.
Like, our cars pulled us back, but that it's like kind of just doesn't stop pulling.
Exactly. The thing is that this car is really, really heavy.
Yeah.
You can still feel that, you know, that power for it. It's 565 horsepower.
Yeah.
But we're almost 4,000 pounds. So.
Damn, that's. Dude.
How do you like it so far?
This is fire. This is fire. I'd have to trade in and then like get a daily, because like for the viewers, I really want an R35. Like that would be my next progression probably, but. I have 2 dogs, so I gotta figure that out. I gotta get...
thing. So if you turn on the lights, bro, the back seats is horrible.
No, yeah, they're tiny, bro. Yeah.
I don't know why they have I think for the regulations and stuff.
Yeah. Finding Nick, guys that you guys don't know, he's a YouTuber. He's a BMW guy and also has GTRs. He says the back seats are just they're useless. Nobody can sit back there comfortably. But this is insane. I don't know. I think I'm just like I just want to level up and go to the next platform, but we don't know yet. With the prices and shit, bro. Yeah. It's just crazy.
The older just look cool, but I feel like the 2017 up with this new bumper, it just looks much better.
Oh, gotta get the facelift one, yeah.
The dash and all that stuff.
Yeah. I'll tell you guys later why I love this car so much, but this is just an experience, dude. This is crazy. It's like a dream come true, actually. I actually wanted to go to the dealership and test drive it. Yeah. But this is better. This is a stock, what, 2020?
2020, yeah.
2020. Stock 2020 GTR. Still sounds fire and still pulls like no other.
I mean, it's still a fun car. All-wheel drive, you know.
Yeah. Even with all-wheel drive, like it's wet out here in Florida. Like, exactly, you know, you're still gonna lose traction. But dude, I would feel way more confident though, like in this car in the rain than.
You wanna drive it?
Yeah, I guess. I'm not gonna go crazy like you though, but let's do it for the vlog. Might as well just make the vlog now. We're already here. Interrupted today's video to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So right here is my Simply Carbon Fiber phone case for my iPhone 12 Pro. The backing in the case is fully made out of carbon fiber. Super dope for car enthusiasts like you and me. I added a little kickstand because I'm always watching YouTube videos and whatnot. But this is perfect for my lifestyle. I also have a magnet on the back so I can hook it up in my car to my magnet mount on my vent right there. Super dope. They also have a bunch of stuff on their website, like these sunglasses that never leave my car. You guys can see there. Carbon fiber frame, super badass. And then they also have like watches and accessories as well. So do me a favor, check out their website and then use my code FH10 and you'll get 10% off your order. And again, as always, I want to thank Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. Shout out to my boy Chris. Make sure you guys follow him.
Sure.
He's gonna let me drive my dream car, which is what, a 2020 or 35?
2020, yeah.
All right, let's get it. Gonna hand Chris the camera.
We got V and the GTR.
What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below.
Bro, you look good in it, bro. You look good in it.
Should we trade in, bro? I don't know.
How do you feel about the seats?
I like them actually.
They're more comfortable than our cars, but obviously I think for our cars the styles look better.
Yeah, I think it just feels race cars.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, you can do that too. You can just to the side.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna keep it safe, y'all. This is crazy, guys.
What we do for the vlogs.
We do for the vlogs. Shout out to my boy Chris, man. This is crazy. It's not low or anything, right?
No, it's right now stock height. Yeah, my dad's a really like simple guy. Yeah. Just like, you know, like leave the car stock.
Go down this road actually.
So one thing you notice is the steering is way more different to our cars, the M's.
Yeah. Does it tighten up or is it just always like
yeah, it's just like that. Yeah, I think like the M's is more tight.
Yeah. Dude, I'm a loss for words, bro. It's like basically a supercar, you know?
Yeah, bro.
Some people consider it a supercar, some people don't. I consider it right under supercar level. This shit is fire. This shit's fire. Damn. But it doesn't have sport mode, it just has R mode?
Yeah, this is R mode, yeah.
R mode.
And the pops it does in each gear is so dope.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking sick. Damn, it's like natural turbos, bro. I don't know, man. I think so. The viewers, this might be it in a couple years. Who knows? We'll see if the money's right. But this test drive itself has just been like
but the amount of looks I get in this car is just insane.
Like, okay, a big ass smile on my face.
Yeah, it's crazy, you know, because more kids know about GTRs and like M car.
Yeah. Oh, when you see this car on the road,
yeah, exactly.
Your neck, you know. Unless if you're a car person, you know for sure.
Yeah.
And even if you're not a car person, you're like, what the hell is that thing?
Mm-hmm.
This shit is crazy. Chris. Shout out to you, my guy.
Oh yeah, shout out to my dad.
Shout out to your dad. Nah, but guys, this thing is a straight beast. And it's the 2020. So you have the updated steering wheel.
Yeah, the whole center console all updated.
Yeah, honestly, like the infotainment, everybody rags on GTRs for like outdated infotainment, but
yeah,
I don't even think it's that bad. The seats are super comfortable, I think. They're very race car vibe. Obviously, your back seats don't do shit.
Yeah, the cluster is still the same from like 2009 to 2020.
It's still the same?
Yeah. Where the school is like matte carbon all over. So.
I mean, I don't mind it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a Japanese car, so what do you expect? Damn. I fucking love it, bro. We're back. We got to test drive the dream. The Godzilla R35 GTR, baby. This is sick. They're all gonna freak out.
I think he's trading.
I'm trading in. Trading in.
Oh, you got to drive?
I'm trading in, Chris. I'm trading in.
Really?
It's good? No, it's nice. It's nice. It actually feels...
subscribing.
Shout out to Chris. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram for letting me drive my dream car, an R35 GTR. Chris,
I'll see you soon, buddy.
that shit was fire. I might try to make a video out of this one.
Yeah, for sure.
But honestly, it's like DCT, it kind of drives like the F80. It's just smoother. It's not as bad as people make it seem, like the transmission issue. Yeah. Maybe because it's a newer one. Like I didn't see like all the issues that people complain about in this one. You literally can fit your whole fist in that tip right there. Shit's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. But his dad has more mods on the way.
Yes, sir.
It's like, how can you not like those taillights and how wide this car is? Literally looks like Godzilla. Our cars are wide, don't get me wrong, but that is wide. That's so sick. And it comes like this from the factory. That's insane. We'll definitely do another video for you guys and get you guys a better review, but absolutely loved it. The F80 drove similar, but it was more raw, like more broke your back. This was more like all-wheel drive, super smooth. I really fucked with it though. I don't know. If it wasn't for the coupe life, I'd probably trade in. Chris is gonna rev it for us, but Nissan, unfortunately, it has a little limiter on it. We need that limiter off.
Fucking stupid.
Yeah. That was open, but they have a limiter.
Oh.
Like on all the Car Wow videos. So we actually just finished eating Korean barbecue. We're here with all the guys. This is a continuation of the last video, the supercar meet. We brought all of our BMWs to. We are out here in the parking lot, and I told Chris, because I haven't hung out with Chris in a long time, that if he brought out his dad's GTR, I wanted to go for a test drive. And I didn't even expect to drive it, but my boy let me drive it just for a little bit. I did a little baby pull, and I'll tell you what, definitely got to do a follow-up video with him. And as we mentioned in the car, the interior really isn't that bad, and the infotainment system, his dad's steering wheel is badass. Carbon fiber with the GTR logo. I'll show you guys on the other side. The back seats don't really do anything, but everybody knows that already. I don't know if the fiance would like this car. And we obviously can't take the dogs, so that would be the biggest problem for me right now, but I don't know. Might have to drive it around some more to really decide if this might be the next car in a few years. We'll see. Maybe if I get a daily or something, we'll make it work. But let me know what you guys think about other cars on the channel, and then let me know what you guys think about this R35 GTR. It's one of those cars you just have to drive it to really feel the difference. But honestly, the transmission, the all-wheel drive, I can get down with it, and it really didn't feel like that different from the F80, so love it so far. Interesting little door handle right here. Sorry for the nighttime vlog, but that's what you guys are gonna get. We were supposed to do this a little earlier, but typical Florida decided to rain on us, and it's wet outside, so we're limited on how much driving we can do. But you guys see it right there. Steering wheel's so sick, carbon fiber everywhere, and then GTR logo on top. That shit's hard. But I think everybody's headed out, and I'll talk about the car more in the garage. Shout out to Chris. Make sure you guys follow him.
Part 2 coming soon.
Part 2 coming soon. I'm gonna make a part 1 out of this, actually. I'm gonna make it salvageable. But shout out to you, bro.
Next time I'll have my new car. So.
Yeah, facts. Top secret, top secret. You heard it here first. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Again, sorry about the nighttime vlog. we'll be sure to record in the daytime next time and get you guys a better overall video. But overall, I loved the R35. I mean, just by the looks alone and the facelift model, it's definitely one of the cars that, you know, I wouldn't mind owning one day in this garage. But in today's market, I'd have to get rid of the F80 and then pay a huge premium. So I don't think that's gonna be happening anytime soon, especially again with today's market. You know, maybe one day. Again, huge shout out to Chris. Thanks for letting me make my dreams come true. I appreciate you. But in conclusion, like, the all-wheel drive is something I really haven't experienced yet myself. So it was really cool to drive in a car with all-wheel drive. I mean, it was super smooth, but it still was a very linear pull. And you know, with the DCT transmission, as I said, it was pretty similar to the F80, just less harsh and less jerky, I would say. So overall, you know, the car is super badass. The nickname is Godzilla for a reason. I can't justify it right now with the market and the pricing, but we'll see. Catch me in a few years, who knows. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content. We have more F80 content coming to you guys next week. We have some interior mods from Euro Customs PR, and then I also found some used catless downpipes that I'm going to be installing on my car as well. So stay tuned for that video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, hit the bell, and subscribe for future content, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.